Hi guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So please, this is just my mood for today, okay guys? Please pardon me, okay? Um, I'm vlogging it because this usually happens, okay? Not really usually, once in a while. It's just in one of those days in which you are moody and you're just not in the mood. And for me, whenever it comes like this, it really makes me to think a lot, okay? Kind of like trying to generalize my life, how far, so far, okay? um how far I've lived my life. Have I really pursued the kind of life I want to? um Maybe the kind of the state I am now, am I happy with it and all of that? My responsibilities, I mean, like, am I sacrificing a lot? I know that, okay, marriage comes with a lot of responsibilities. As a mom, okay, you almost like kind of giving your life, living your life for the kids, the family, and everything. And it's as if you don't have a life of your own anymore. So at times this happens to me, and it gets me thinking a lot. Okay, guys. Um, at times it gets me thinking for the whole day. At times it just comes and it goes. So today is one of those days, okay? And I'm not gonna hide it from you guys, okay? So I'm a human. If you are a mom or someone out there that still goes through the same state, please let me know, okay? We can share. Let me know how you handle it and all of that, okay guys? I am a Christian. I believe in God, and I believe that in due time everything falls into place. But I'm also a human, okay, guys? All right. That being said, so welcome, guys, to another vlog with me. Um, so it's Saturday over here, and the twins are home because the kindergarten they don't go to school Saturdays, but the primary school they do go. So the twins are home with me, and just come along with me, guys, okay? Today let me show you guys everything I've got to do today. Please pardon the noise. We are living so close to the main road, so that's it. All right, welcome to another vlog. Okay, this is officially welcoming you guys and thanking you guys also for all your massive support. In case you are new here, my name is Amy Thonia. I am a Nigerian mom vlogger that is based here in Italy. My channel is all about cooking and lifestyle, family living, okay? So see you guys on my next clip. Okay, guys, so we are right here now waiting for their brothers to come out. They came with me, so we came earlier. So like it's always 12:30 that they finish, but I think it's 12 or 20 now, something there about. Yeah. Michael, what is it?
Mommy, what, Mom?
What is it? Say hello.
Hello, welcome back to Amy Thonia channel.
So this is our lunch for today. This is a, I don't know, they call it tortellini here, but it's a kind of pasta. So I added some peas with sweet corn and then egg. Yeah. So that's how I usually make it for them, or I make it in kind of like minestrone. So guys, I'm about to wash some meat now, and I'm just going to wash and clean all of them now so that I can just package them in the way I'll be using them. And I'm going to be putting them inside my freezer so that whenever I need them, they're already clean. And in case you're wondering why my house is so calm, everybody is sleeping. They are all asleep, but one person is remaining, just one person, and that's one of the twins, Ellery, because he's only one awake here with me and following me up and down, disturbing me up and down. But it's okay, no problem about that. Lele, don't you want to sleep? You don't want to sleep? Do you want to sleep? Yes?
No.
No. That's it. So this is like a wrap. How many of you do this thing like me? You know these freezer bags, they come with a closure or something like that. But see, I usually don't use mine. I prefer to wrap them like this with my hands. So how many of you do this same thing with me like this? How many of you? Comment down below in the comment section, guys.
Mommy.
Yes, my love. Who gave you that?
Yeah.
Who gave it to you? Give it to Mama. Okay. So guys, here is it. Here it is.
Hi, Mommy.
At times when I say go and sleep, you will not agree to sleep. You see why it's good to sleep? Are you okay now?
Yeah.
You are awake. Did you sleep well?
Above
Yeah.
Mommy.
Go and pee. Have you peed?
See?
Lele, you refuse to sleep.
Ay!
You're also awake. Non lo so, prendiamo per la casa. Prendiamo per portare a casa.
Diretto!
Quale?
Nuggetto mio!
L'altro, sì. Amore, che gusti vuoi? Questo? Vuoi questo? Questo? Ok. Quattro?
Questa va bene?
Allora, questo è pistacchio, è vero? Questo naturale è panna, no. C'è yogurt naturale? Sì? E quello lì che gusto è?
Questo?
Sì?
Limoncello.
Limoncello, sì, mettere. E poi nocciolas c'è?
Sì, speciali?
Sì.
Con coca limone.
E dopo c'è pistacchio.